The Feature Plant Units feature allows you to look up all of the construction units on a feature by station number, such as pull number or by global ID. This functionality is available from any browser with an internet connection, including mobile devices like phones and tablets, as I'll be showing here. Now, here we have the mobile view of the main page for the website. From here, go ahead and tap on the 3 lines menu button on the top left and select Assets. Now, you'll see this list of the different options you have. Scroll down until you see Feature Plant Units and select Go To. You'll get this empty page here with the little guy, but you'll also have a search bar up the top. Here's where you can input your station number or global ID for the feature you want to look at. I'm only going to search by a station number this time. Now, on the left here, you'll see that all of these share the station number that I searched. Unlike the desktop view, you can only get a small amount of information at first, though turning our phone sideways will give us the asset groups. Now, if we go and tap on one of the options, we are given a longer list of information that also shows the feature class and the global ID. All of the information that you'd get from the desktop version. Now, the item I clicked on is a poll and is set to not linear. So let's go check out something like this primary overhead here. As you can see, this item is set to linear, and so we get extra information including the length, linear sag, and extra length. Another handy thing is that you're able to see the circuit it is connected to, its phase, and even other stations that it connects to. So, as you can see, the mobile version of the website gives you all of the information that you'd get from the desktop version, making this handy for when you're on the job off-site and only have a phone or tablet on hand.